Just wanted to show a upgraded version of the Turbobrite tool. This actually screws on the inside of 2-inch inside diameter vacuum hose and has a centering brush to help hold it in the middle of the duct. And then as it's got a turbine on the inside of there, so as it pulls the air in, it'll spin those brushes. And today we've got it hooked on 50 feet of hose hooked to a cyclonic vacuum that produces 335 CFM at 108 inches of water lift. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm we're making the right voltage. I get a bright green light, means that this 240 volt system is making the right voltage, and I turn it on. So the advantage of this system is that it doesn't require any kind of cable or electricity up inside of the vacuum hose to add additional weight. The disadvantage is it only spins in one direction, which means it's going to work well with round ducting, but it's not going to work with square and rectangular systems. But this might be a tool to add to your air duct cleaning arsenal. Thank you.